Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to block ads on Opera GX. Now I want to learn how to block ads. So the first thing you do is after launching the Opera GX app on your PC, next thing on is by left hand side. Now you're going to click on settings. Now in case you don't see the settings icon, before click on the three dots at the bottom here to open your sidebar option, then scroll down until you see this option for settings and make sure you turn this on. Once it is on, then you can now click on the gear icon, which is the settings icon, to open the settings, and then you can see block ads, the first option, that privacy protection. Make sure you turn it on. It is as simple as that. Then you can now manage the exceptions, manage the list. You can now allow acceptable ads. If you don't want all the ads to go, turn it off totally. So you can now, if you want to give some exceptions, you can give the exceptions here. These are the exceptions right now, so if you don't want any of them, just simply click at the top, at the corner, and remove them. Click remove until you're through with all of them. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which I put up every day. Thanks for watching.